students. Today we are going to start practice set 1.2. In practice set 1.2, we are already seen the problem number 1 and 2, and then only one problem is given to you for homework. Afterwards, today we are start the question number 2s and sub question 4 and 5. So whatever may be question number 4, that can be seen on a screen. So here is, you can see the equation here, that is 3x minus y is equal to 2 and 2x minus y is equal to 3. So this is the equation given, but that with help of that equation we can make a graphical table, and with help of graphical table we can get the coordinates, and with that coordinates we can draw a graph and finding the value of x and y. So first we can take an equation is 3x minus y is equal to 2. So that equation table we want to make, but this is the table. Before making table 3x minus y is equal to 2, that equation we make it simplify. Simplify is very simple, that minus y go across, it become plus y. So if this minus y go across, it become plus y. So here is only 3x is remain. Okay, here is only 3x is remain. So 3x is equal to what? Y plus 2. Are you understand? How can I do that? See, 3x minus y is equal to 2. This minus y go across, it become plus y. So you get y plus 2. So 3x is equal to y plus 2. Then another step, I think that this is the plus 2. That plus 2 go across, it become minus 2. So you are getting y is equal to 3x minus 2. Are you know how can you get that? See, this is the plus 2. That plus 2 go across, it become minus. So what is minus? 3x minus 2. So that is written here 3x minus 2. So y is equal to 3x minus 2. So with help of that we can make a table. So how can make a table? Just see. So here is the y is equal to 3x minus 2. This is the equation you are getting when you are make it simplify. Are you know how can it simplify? Minus y go across plus y. So 3x is equal to y plus 2. Afterwards what happened? This plus 2 go across minus 2. So 3x minus 2. So what you get? Y. Y is equal to 3x minus 2. Then with help of that equation we can make this table. So how can I make this table? I will explain you. So see, 3x, x. So x value is according to your mind. Okay, the x value is according to your minds. And the last lecture I already explained you the value of the x or value of the y which are you taken, that value you are taken is very small, means you can take 0 to 1, 0 1 2 3 4, or 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4, whatever it may be, but that values you have taken is so small, because if you take a greater value then this table is become vast. Okay, so I take the value of x here first, minus 1. So I write here minus 1, x value is minus 1. So 3 into minus 1, what happened? 3 is positive, x is negative because x value is minus 1. So minus 1 into 3, 3 ones are 3. In multiplication, sign of both number are not same. 3 is positive and 1 is negative, so sign is not same. So sign is not same, so answer you are getting is negative. 3 ones are 3, minus 3. So here is minus 3 and here is minus 2. Sign of both number are same, so we can do addition. 3 plus 2, 5. So here is y value you are getting 5 and that sign is negative. Is that clear? Then I am taken x value 0. So all of you know very well, if x is multiplying 0, if 0 is multiplying any number, then you get answer 0. Or 0 is divide any number, then you get answer 0. So according to that criteria, this is a 0. So 3 into 0, you get 0. Okay, so here is the 3 into 0, you get 0. 0 plus minus 2, you know that 0 plus minus 2, we are getting y value is minus 2. So here is y value is minus 2. Then x value I am taken 1. This is the positive one. 3 ones are 3. This is plus 3. 3 ones are 3, plus 3. 3 is positive and 2 is negative. Sign is not same, subtract. 3 minus 2, what is remain? 1. So y value is 1. Then here is 2. I am taken x value is 2. So 3 in this value I am taken 2. So put here x value 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 2, what is remain? 4. So y value is 4. All of the student, please, this x value is according to our mind. So you can take any value you want or any value you like. So I am taken the x value first -1. I again explain because you understand well. For that purpose I am explain again. So x value is -1. So here is I put x value -1. 3 into -1. 3 ones are 3. Sign of both number are not same. So answer is -3. -3 -2. Both having same sign. So what can you do? Addition. 3 plus 2 5. Whatever with the sign minus. So I write here -5. Then I am taken x value 0. So you know very well 0 is multiplying any number. Answer is 0. 3 0 0. 0 minus 2, what you get? -2. So here is I write -2. Then 1. 3 ones are 3. 3 is positive, 2 is negative. Sign is not same, subtract. 3 minus 2, what is remain? 1. Then I am taken x value 2. So 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. So here is you get 6. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 2, what is remain? 4. So here is you get 4. Then here is you put value in bracket. The first value is always x. So x value is -1. So -1 -1. X value 0 0 -2. X value 1 1 1. Then x value 2 2 4. Such a way we are finding the complete the table of first equation. Then we have taken another table. This is the 2x minus y is equal to 3. These types of table. So see, this minus y go across, it become plus y. So see, this minus y go across, it become plus y. So that is directly solved. How it is solved? Just see, minus y go across, plus y. So this plus y is written here. Then this plus 3. This plus 3 go across, minus 3. So what you get? 2x minus 3. Again explain, because some of the students are understand very slowly. For that purpose I repeat again. So see, 2x minus y is equal to 3. What upon this minus y go across, it become plus y. So here is I write y. Okay, then this is the plus 3. This plus 3 go across, it become minus 3. So 2x minus 3. So here is you get y is equal to 2x minus 3. So in this equation, which value is according to your mind? So in this equation, the value according to your mind is x. Means we are putting value of x. Because when you put value of x and solve, then you get y value. Okay, so here is you are putting value of x according to your mind. So here is I am again draw a table. So in that I am taken x value 0. So here is x value 0. 2 into 0 0. So here is you get 0 because x value is 0. So 2 into 0 0. 0 minus 3, what you get? Minus 3. So x value 0, y value minus 3. So here is written 0 minus 3. Then I am taken x value 2. X value 2 is taken. So 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. So 4 minus 3. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 3. So 4 minus 3, what is remain? 1. So here is you get y value 1. X taken 2. So 2 and 1. Then I am taken x value 3. So see, 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 3. What is remain? 3. So here is I write 3. Okay. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 3. So what is remain? 3. So here is x value 3, y value 3. Are you understand? See, x value is 3. So I put the value of x here. So 2 into x value 3. 2 into 3. 6 you are getting. 6 minus 3. What is remain? 3. So I write here 3. Is that clear? Then x value 3 written here. Y value 3 written here. Then I am taken x value 4. So put here x value 4. 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8. Okay, 2 4s are 8. 8 could are you understand how can you get x? Because x value is 4. So put here x value 4. 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 3, what is remain? 5. So here is 5. So here is write 4 and 5. Again I am explain this value, x value, your value, you are taken according to your mind. This value I am taken by my mind, but you can take this value according to your mind, no problem. It is not necessary that you always write this value. Are you understand? Because some of the students are confused. y here 0, y here 2, y here 3, y here such a way I write the x values here. So that x value is written by our minds, means you can write by your minds also. So when you write x value, put here x values and solve this equation, then you get y value. So these values you can write whatever you like, but remember that you then don't take that values greater than 4 or 5, means if you take on more values then it is very difficult to plot a graph. Such a way this point is completed. Then here is we having the points here. So first equation is here is taken that 3x minus y is equal to 2. So that 3x minus y is equal to 2, that first point you are getting is minus 1 minus 5. So see, this is x point, x coordinate is minus 1. But first remember, this is the graph paper. On this graph paper you must be write scale on the uppermost portion. Such a way scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, means see 0 to 1 this is the 1 centimeter, 1 to 2 this is the 1 centimeter, 2 to 3 this is the 1 centimeter. Okay, means this every square is 1 centimeter. So here is written 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. On both axes scale is written, x axis and y axis same. So here is first value I am written this on this equation 3x minus y is equal to 2, that is given in the table that x value is minus 1 and y value is 5. So I am first kept here the cursor and just finding where is the minus 5. I am searching the minus 5 and get it, and so I plot the point here minus 1 and minus 5. Then another point is there, that is the x value is 0 and y value is minus 2. So I am already explained, except 0 if there is any number, then which number at that number axis the point is plotted. So x value is 0 but y value is minus 2, so this point is plotted on minus 2. Such a way, see x value 0 here is, and I am coming there finding where is minus 2, so here is minus 2, so 0 minus 2. Then another point x value 1, that is the positive 1, and y value is 1 also. So from 1 I am just finding where is the y value 1, so here is I get y value 1, so I am plot point here. Are you understand? Then another point, and that is the last point, the x value is 2, x value is 2 and y value is 4. So I am just searching where is the 4 from 2, so here is the 4, so I plot a point here and write there 2 and 4. But all of the students remember that this point written is not necessary, means you are only plot the point and you are only show the point where is the two equations are intersect each other. So that intersection points you can only show. I am right here point only for which purpose? How can I plot the point? That I want to explain. So I am showing here points. But you don't show that points, means don't write in bracket such a way 0 minus 2 1 1 2 4. You are only write the point where is they are intersect. So see here is intersect, so you can write only minus 1 minus 5. Okay, so this equation is completed, all the 4 points are plotted. Then another equation 2x minus y, 2x minus y. So first point is x-axis 2, so I am kept the cursor, red cursor on 2, and y-axis 1, so here is 1, so our first point plotted there 2 and 1. Then another x-axis 3, so I kept the cursor on 3 and just finding where is the y-axis 3, so here is the y-axis 3, so I kept the cursor there and you get 3 3. Then y-axis 4, so I kept the cursor on y-axis and just go ahead, where is the 5 on y-axis, there is I plot a point. And last such a way we are plot a point here, and these 4 points is plotted. The fourth point is this 0 and minus 3, so 0 on x-axis and just go where is the minus 3, so here is the minus 3 on y-axis. So these 4 points I am plotting, and when this point is completed, then these two lines intersect each other in minus 1 and minus 5. So minus 1 on x-axis and minus 5 on y-axis, so you are getting x coordinate is minus 1. See here x coordinate is minus 1, and y quadrant is 5. So your answer is x is equal to -1 and y is completed these questions. Then we can go the another questions, which is that. So here is the another equation is 3x minus 4y is equal to -7 and 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. So these equations are so bigger equation. So I want to make it simplify. So how can I simplify? Just see that equations. So see, here is 3x minus 4y is equal to -7. So this -7 go across, it become +7 because it is very simple logic that this -7 go across, it become +7. So 3x plus 7. Then this is the -4y. So that -4y go across +4y. So we are getting 3x plus 7. So here is 4 is multiplying. See, this 4 is multiplying. Go across, divide. So 3x plus 7 divided by 4 is equal to y. So see, this y is 4 is multiplying, go across, divide. So here is only y remain. So I write here y. What is here? 3x plus 7. So I write here 3x plus 7. This 4 is multiply, go across, divide. So it is right at denominator. So see, I write at denominator. So this is the equation you are getting. Y is equal to 3x plus 7 upon 4. So in this equation, which value is according to your mind? In this equation, x value is according to your minds. Means whatever be the value you have put there, that value is only x, not a y. Because when you put values of x here and solve this, then you get y value. Okay. So here we are putting the value of x. So first I write the value of x is -1. So 3 into -1. 3 ones are 3. What do you get? -3. Why -3? Because 3 is positive, 1 is negative. Sign is not same. So answer is negative. 3 ones are 3 -3. So here you get -3 and here you get +7. There are sign is not same. Because 7 is positive and 3 is negative, so sign is not same. So sign is not same. So subtraction. 7 minus 3, what is remain? 4. Bigger number sign is plus, so plus 4. So 4 is divided 4. 4 ones are 4. So you get y value is 1. So x value -1, y value 1. How can we get? Are you understand? Don't understand it, again explain. X value I am write 1, that is the -1. So 3 into -1 you get -3. So 3 is negative, 7 is positive. Sign is not same. Subtract 7 minus 3. What is remain? 4. So 4 is there numerator and here is the 4 is denominator. 4 ones are 4. So you get y value 1. So here is the right value. X value -1, y value 1. X value is 1 taken. 1 means positive 1. So 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 7. What you get? 10. 10 you are getting. 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 7, 10. 4 is divided to 10. 4 2s are 8. 4 5s are 20. So you are getting 2.5. See again, x value I am taken 1. So I write here 1. 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 7, 10. So here is numerator is 10. What is the denominator? 4. 4 is divided to 10. 4 2s are 8. 10 minus 8, what is remain? 2. Decimal point. Then 20. 4 5s are 20. If you don't understand, but see, 4, here is the 7. 3 plus 7, 10 divided by 4. 4 2s are 8. 10 minus 8, 2 is remain. Decimal point, so 0. 2 is become 20. 4 5s are 20. So we are getting answer 2.5. So x value 1, y value 2.5. Then x value I am taken 3. So see, I am taken 3. 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. Because x value is 3. See, here is given x value 3. So I put value x 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 4 4s are 16. So you get 4. So x value is 3. Y value is 4. So write 3 and 4. Then x value is taken 5. 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 7, 22. 22 is divided by 4. 4 5s are 20. 22 minus 20, what is remain 2? Decimal point. 4 5s are 20. So y value we are getting 5.5. So 5 and 5.5 is the answer. Such a way this table is completed. Then we have taken another equation, and this equation is a simple equation as compared to the last equation. Why I am saying that this equation is x minus 2y is equal to 0. This equation I am saying very simple equation. That reason is when this minus 2y go across, it become plus 2y. So we are getting 5x is equal to 2y. So here is this equation is simplifying 5x is equal to 2y. Is that clear? Then you can divert 5 or you can divert 2, whatever you like. So here is this 2 is multiplying y. So when these 2 go across, it can be divided. So these 2 go across, it can be divided. So what is remain y? So I write here y. What is the numerator here? 5x. So I write here 5x. This 2 is multiply, go across, divide. Go across, divide, so that can be right at denominator. So this 2 is right here at denominator because they are divide, so 2. So y is equal to 5x upon 2. Again in this equation, y value is depend on which value? X value. So this x value is according to who? X value according to us. Which value you are putting there? The x value is putting by our mind, because when you put x value, solve this, then you get y value. Is that clear? See, x value is according to our mind. I put here x value, solve this, then I get y. So let we start now. So x value I am taken minus 2. So see, 5 into minus 2. 5 to the 10. In multiplication, sign of both number are not same. So answer is negative. 2 5 is 10. So we are getting minus 5. So minus 2 minus 5. So here is get minus 2 minus 5. Then 0 x value. So here is I write x value 0. 5 into 0, 0. 2 is divided 0, you get 0. So x value 0, y will be 0. So you are getting x and y 0, 0. Then x is equal to what? 1. So I am right here x value 1. 5 1 is 5. Divided by 2. Okay, 5. 2 to the 4, 2. 5 minus 4, what is remain? 1. Decimal point it become 10. 2 5 is 10. So we are getting y value 2.5. Then x value I am taken 2. So 5 2 is 10. 2 is divided 10. 2 5 is 10. Such a way we are getting this table. Then with help of these two table, we are plotting graph. So when you plot a graph, first you draw x axis. So here is you write x, and here is the mirror image of x, you write here x dash. Then you plot y axis. So here is you write y, mirror image of y, you are write y dash. Okay. After that you are write a scale here. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on both axes, mean x axis and y axis. Okay. So first you are taken any equation. So suppose I am taken first equation, 3x minus 4y is equal to 7. So that equation's value you are finding, and that is having in table. So with help of that table we are start to solve here. So see, the first is x axis is minus 1. So see, here is the minus 1. So I put the cursor on minus 1, and y axis is 1. So I am just starting my journey to finding the 1 on y axis. See, it is the y axis 1. So I plot here point minus 1 and 1. Then another thing, the x axis is plus 1. See, this is the plus 1, x axis is plus 1. So I write here plus 1, and y axis is 2.5. Here is write 2.5. So see, this is the 2 and this is the 3. So this 2 and 3, this is the middle portion that is shown here, that is the 0.5. So this is 2 after this middle portion, half portion between 2 and 3. So this is the 0.5. So here is I write 2.5. Such a way this 1 and 2.5 is plotted. Then there is the another point, that is 3, which is that is 3 and 4. So x axis 3 and y axis. So I have kept the cursor on x axis and finding the y axis 4. So here is I kept y axis 3 and 4. Then x axis 5. So I kept the cursor on x axis 5 and just finding where is the 5.5. So where is the 5.5? This is the 5. This is the 6. So between this portion, half portion, so this is the 5.5. See there, I am showing the cursor there at 5.5. So this is the 5.5. So I am just starting the point and plot there. This is the 5.5. such a way this equation is completed 3x minus 4y. So all the 4 points I plotted that can be joined by scale and write their equation. Okay. Then another equation I want to plot here, that is the 5x minus 2y. Equation I want to plot here, 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. So here is the first point is given here minus 2. So that is the x-axis minus 2. See, I kept the cursor on minus 2. That is, and x-axis minus 2 and y-axis minus 5. So just start, where is the minus 5? So I am traveling, I get here minus 5. So I plot here point that minus 2 and minus 5. Is that clear? Then another point, x-axis 0, y-axis 0. So this is the origin. See, x-axis also 0, y-axis also 0, origin. So I write here 0 and 0. Then another point here, that is 1 and 2.5. So this is the x-axis 1. So I kept the cursor here and just start my journey to finding the 2.5. So see, this is the 2 and this is the 3. So middle portion of 2 and 3, half portion, that is show here, it is the 2.5. So I plot point here. Okay. Then another x-axis 2 and y-axis 5. So here is I plot point. So such a way these 4 points are getting and they are joined by straight line. And then I write equation here 5x minus 2y. So when that 2 line equation point is plotted, then these 2 lines they are intersect here. That is 1 and 2.5. See, intersect. Okay. So this is intersection point 1 and 2.5. So x-axis is equal to 1 and y-axis is equal to 2.5. That is the answer. So here is the right. The coordinates of the point of intersection are 1 and 2.5. So that is the x-axis 1 and y-axis 2.5. I hope that I am taken all 2 problems. Only one problem is remain there. So if whatever I taught you, that 2 problems I explain you, and if you are understand whether they are understand or not understand, that can be checked with help of homework. So I am giving you homework, so you can solve this homework and in a graph notebook. So all of my dear students, you are complete this homework, that is I am given question number last in this exercise, 2x minus 3y is equal to 4 and 3y minus x is equal to 4. So you solve this in a graph notebook, and I request you that you are solve total 1.2 as a homework in graph notebook. So that graph notebook you are preserve when school is start. I will check that graph. So don't send that graph on a group. I want to check that offline check. Okay, so don't send it. So I hope that you understand what I taught you. So if you understand, please subscribe the channel, and this channel video you are forward to your friends who are learning in 10th standard, and say to them also subscribe it and study hard, stay home, study hard, and make your future bright. Thank you. Goodbye.